Let's see what Presley's doing. Oh, there he is. What are you doing?
I'm sketching a vocal booth. You know how we make all those songs, Tate?
Yeah.
Diss tracks and stuff? Well, I decided that why don't we sketch a vocal booth and actually make one. So our songs are better. And
That's a good idea.
so you think we should do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah, I'm done with the sketch. So
That's pretty nice.
we're probably gonna teach them how to make a song booth, actually.
Yeah.
All right. What's poppin', guys? It's the Hubs Bros here. Today we'll be showing you how to do a DIY vocal booth or sound booth for under $100. We wanted to make our songs sound better because all of our diss tracks and other songs sounded really bad. So what you need for the sound booth is you need about 3 moving blankets that are 72 inches by 80 inches from Harbor Freight that are about $8 a piece. They were on sale today. And then you need 2 hole punchers. You don't need 2. We got 2 because we didn't know which ones. We'll tell you after the video what kind of hole puncher that you actually need. Then you need about 24 shower curtain holders that hold it to the PVC pipes. Speaking of those, we need the PVC pipe connectors. And then you want PVC pipes. The PVC pipes, you need 2 half-inch PVC pipes that are 10 feet long. And then you need 4 3/4 inch PVC pipes that are about 10 feet long also. Then we need about 6 of these curtain holders that will hold the curtains in place. Besides these, they will do both jobs. And we will get to you after we do it. Okay guys, so now that you've seen all the parts, we're gonna start with the moving blanket first. So you know how we had 2 hole punchers? You need to use this one. The picture will be up top for which one you need to use. It'll tell you it. You need to get it at Harbor Freight. It's about $5. So what you need to do, you see how there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? You need to make an eyelet for each of those creases. So what you need to do is put your backing plates under here. Then you want to put your hole puncher right here. You want to get a hammer and hit it until it makes the hole. Okay, so let me hit it a couple more times. And if you do not use this backing plate, it will not work. So after you do that, you want to take out the backing plate away. You want to get your grommet and make sure you put it through. And then you want to get your anvil right here. You want to line it up so it's like that. And then you want to get your washer right here. I'm going to put this on top. And then get your striker right here. And you want to hit this about 2 or 3 times. That's pretty hard, so it makes the eyelet. See? Perfect eyelet. This is supposed to be for tarps, but we're doing it for the moving blanket because it works with our sound booth. And we'll be back when we finish all the moving blankets and put all the holes in. Okay, so now we're just gonna put it together, and we'll do a time lapse of me putting it together. So what we're gonna do is, this is 34 inches and
37.
37 inches, and these are 34 inches.
Yeah.
And so this is going to be the depth, and this is going to be the width. And I'll be back when I start building the 80-inch ones. Okay, so now we will be putting the 80-inch PVC pipes in the bottom of these. Just like this. Just like that, and then I'll probably need this ladder to get up top because I'm really small. Okay, so we're going to need, actually, I'll just put these things in first. Wait, like that? This? Yeah. I'm gonna go like that, and I'm gonna go to the other side.
No. I have to face me. Yep.
Okay, then we'll go with that. Then to all these sides. That's one more connector. So last connector. A half inch like. Yeah?
Yep.
Then
Get the curtain hooks out now.
hooks. Okay, so now you want to put the 4 curtain hooks on there, and you want to stick it in the connector like that, and then stick this in. That should hold up. Then you want to get your little pipe, the 1/2 inch. I'm gonna put put 4 of these on here like this. And you wanna come up here. Get in there. And then stick that in there. Like that, and then we want to do the same thing for those sides. Okay, so now we got all this done, and you can use glue if you want, but we're thinking about moving it since we're redoing our basement. So we didn't want to do glue. We didn't want to put glue on it, but glue would make it way stronger, and it has more of a chance of it not falling apart. Now we're gonna just move it over there by my computer setup, and we'll be back when we moved it, and then we'll put the moving blankets on it.
Go.
Okay, so since we got 3 of them, you want to overlap it. It will echo the sound better. It'll make the sound better when you sing. You want to put it through like that. And then you want to just hook all these.
Go that way.
Want to make sure behind the lights will fit. Okay, this is the final product. This is our new vocal and studio booth. So we will give you guys new songs and better diss tracks against people. And it looks pretty good. We only paid, it was like $75 for the whole thing. The moving blankets were about $8. I will definitely put all the prices in the description. And yeah, so we will show you inside. Come inside. Come inside. See how I talk? It's like when I talk into it, it's like no echo. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a really good vocal booth and sound booth. I think it's great. And there's lighting from the top, so we don't have to get an extra light. Our singing mic will probably go right here. I'll stand like right here. There's enough room. We had to adjust it a little bit, but yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video if you want us to make more songs, better quality songs. Peace.
Whole stinking fan base is 13-year-olds. I'm living flipping evidence, so don't get appalled. Logan's so much better, he gives some great advice. The only thing you give me is a way to get a fake wife and what's up with that language. It's really messed up.